Indiana. Likely late in the morning. The current time is 11:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Tonight,
now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight,
north winds 10
weather
to
hazards
29.
expected. Limited
11 a.m. is still young. We got some time.
5 damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per
Thursday
hour.
night, northeast winds 10 to 15, not diminishing to 5 to 10
this
knots.
afternoon southeast of the
Mostly
mountains of
cloudy.
the Pontiac line.
Waves 1 to
An
3 feet.
isolated severe thunderstorm or two
Here is the
locally
nearshore
damaging
marine
winds to
forecast
60
for
miles
waters
per hour
within
cannot
5
be
nautical
ruled out.
miles ashore on Lake
And now the
Michigan.
extended
the following
outlook for the
County
period Thursday
Harbor,
through
Illinois,
Tuesday.
Gary, Indiana,
Friday
Gary to
afternoon
Britain Harbor,
and night,
Indiana,
limited
and
thunderstorm
Burton
west
Harbor,
well
Michigan,
south of Interstate
Indiana.
80.
Rest of
Spotter
today,
information
north
statement.
winds 10 to
Spotters may
15
be
knots.
needed between 2 p.m. and
Showers.
8 p.m. southeast of the
Waves
Val
1 to
Brace of
3
the
feet.
Pontiac line.
Tonight,
General
north
storm
winds 10
motion
to
of the day,
15
moving
knots.
toward the northeast at
Showers
35 to
likely
40
in the
miles
evening,
per hour.
then slight chance of showers
At
overnight.
11 a.m. at O'Hare Airport, drizzle was falling. The
Thursday,
temperature was
north winds
60
10 to
degrees.
15, knots
The
increasing
dew
to
point
50
was
to 20
58,
knots.
and the relative
Mostly
humidity
cloudy in
was
the morning,
92%.
then becoming partly
The
cloudy.
wind was northeast at
Waves
8
1 to
miles
3
an
feet
hour.
building
The
to
pressure
2 to
was
4 feet.
30.03 inches
Thursday
and
night,
rising.
northeast winds 10 to
Elsewhere
15,
around the area,
knots diminishing to 5
rain
to
was
10 knots.
falling with a temperature of 61 at Midway Airport, 69 at Pontiac, 67 at Bloomington, 70 at
We got it.
Was a test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations,
was the test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.
every Wednesday
Tests
between
of
11
these
a.m. and
receivers
noon.
by this system
When
are
there is no
normally
weather,
conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
Until the next available
When there is the
weather
threat
day.
of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. At 11 a.m. at O'Hare Airport, drizzle was falling. The temperature was 60 degrees. The dew point was 58, and the relative humidity was 92%. The wind was northeast at 8 miles an hour. The pressure.
Well, there you go. We got the June 4th Wednesday testing. Alright, I'm gonna go. Bye.